And you can see the Mi Band 8 just turned to this exercise mode automatically. Let's just go. That is the Somatosensory Interactive Boxing from Xiaomi Band 8. There are some more interesting features on it, like playing games, though I already did that on my Mi Band 7 a year ago. Xiaomi obviously watched my video, stole my idea, and put it into this generation officially. It also offers paper mode and necklace mode, which are seemingly new and fun sports features. But how are they? In this video, let's take a good look at it. I will include a full walkthrough of what's inside the Mi Band 8, the difference between the Mi Band 8 and 7, and answering some of your questions about it in the third part. Before I uploaded the Mi Band 8 unboxing to the Geekband channel, and you guys asked many questions like where the Mi Band 8 Pro is, should you upgrade to the Mi Band 8 if you own Band 7, and how is the battery life? I will answer all of this in the third part, so please stick around until the end. I've been using the Mi Band 8 for several days, wearing it every day, and even taking it to the shower and to sleep. So I guarantee this is a really good detailed real-life experience of the Mi Band 8, not one of those fake reviews. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any honest reviews from me. Now, let's get started. Alright, start with the unboxing in case you didn't watch my previous videos. So in the box you got a Chinese manual, a magnetic cable, and of course the Mi Band 8. This is the non-NFC version. And now let me give you a full walkthrough what's inside the Mi Band 8. And just check out this lovely, cute watch face. And you can, as always, you can just press and hold it to change to different watch faces. And they have numerous, like more than 200 on this Mi Band 8. So I want to start off with that. Okay, just check out in the app. Just go to devices, right? And here you can find manage band displays. And just check it out, guys. Okay, that's it. Bounce around. Oh, I missed it. Oh. I'm gonna introduce this to my daughter to see if she loves it or not. Oh, perfect for my daughter, Christina. Okay, that's the watch faces, and I absolutely love it because it offers so many for you to choose from, and you can even customize it. That's the best feature ever. Now let me give you a full walkthrough of what's inside the app. I will give you like the most detailed one on the internet, right? So just swipe down, get notifications, swipe up, okay, just dismiss it, swipe up, you get the apps, right? Stats, workout, okay, workout, okay, they have like 150 sports modes and this Mi Band. That's basically the 150 sports modes it has on this Mi Band 8. Workout activity, running, status, heart rate, vitality, SpO2 of course, sleep, okay. Alarm, Alipay, Weixin Pay, settings, let's click in the settings. You see the running mode, and here it includes to the paper mode. So the paper mode is basically like you just put this main part of the Mi Band and put to the case, and then fasten to shoelaces, and then like it lets to track professional data such as stride frequency, stride length, ground contact vacancy ratio, ground impact force, and more. I want to try that, but the thing is they don't have that kind of accessory in the shop, so I didn't buy it. But I've seen some Chinese tech reviewers did a review about it, and it has like kind of mixed feeling. It's sometimes accurate, sometimes not. So it's kind of like a gimmick or something. And also there's this necklace mode. So necklace is just wear it like a necklace, all right? Display. So in this time, on the Mi Band 8, it has this kind of auto brightness. So auto, or you can customize it. This is the most brightness. Okay. Auto lock. It's supposed to 5 minutes. I remember like on the Mi Band 7, it's like only 15 seconds. Rest to wake, screen on, always on display. If you turn them on, it could consume your battery significantly. Cover to sleep, and that's the display vibration. It has default strong or off. DND app notification auto detect. Okay, you don't get workout reminders when DND is on, so it has this kind of auto detect mode for you. Pin. You can also lock your screen if you want, in case someone just steal your band, right? System and power band, and that's it. Okay, and more. Let's check more. So events, alerts, breathing, stopwatch music, find the phone, word clock, silence camera. Okay, I tried that. that's it. Yeah, timer, flashing. Also, it has focus. That's it. Okay, that's more, right? That's okay, that's everything about it actually. That's all the app on it. And in case you want to know other gesture controls, just swipe right, get to see the shortcuts and some other widgets, music, weather, heart rate, sleep, and that's it. And that's basically what's inside the Mi Band 8 and the gesture controls and everything about it. So alright, choose that somatosensory interactive boxing tutorial. And do a loading. Let me turn on the. Okay, and then we just choose one of the tutorials. The amazing part thing is start training. And you can see the Mi Band 8 just turned to this exercise mode automatically. Okay, let's just go. Yeah, current only Chinese. Missed it. Okay, missed again.
加油，做得很棒！
So the very good thing is, like, even you wear only one Mi Band 8, it will record your movement. Okay, and you can see the interface here. There's a time, right? How much time you exercise, calories burned, and the heart rate. Okay, that's just great. Let's just end here. So, of course, you can wait until it finishes, or you can finish manually. So just exit. So they will give you this kind of report, and also you can view down here. Okay, done. It records now your heartbeat, calories burned, and even your 命中率怎么说? Alright, that is the somatosensory interactive boxing. To be honest, I find it's really interesting, and I would love to play a little bit more because, you know, exercising, workout is painful, right? So if something like interesting for you, then you would probably want to exercise a little bit more, right? Have a little bit more fun, and I think that's a fun feature. And now let's move on to the second part. What are the differences between the Mi Band 8 and 7? Well, the first thing you will notice is the band strap. So instead of the strap that engulfs the pail, you know, which is a little bit difficult to take it out, the Mi Band 8 now adopts a new quick release mechanism. You just press Oh, so simple, so easy. That should make it easier to swap bands in a jiffy. And since we have them out, let me compare the designs of the two. So the Mi Band 8 has this kind of metallic finish, but the frame is not made of metal. It's a polycarbonate. And here are the exact dimension of the two. I will just list them on the screen. Oh, some of you guys want to know how smooth they are. The Mi Band 8 supports a 60 Hz refresh rate versus the 30 Hz on the 7. I do feel it's smoother on 8, which I really like. And the screen size is the same for both. 1.62-inch AMOLED. The display content is the same, right? The bezels and the things. By the way, the Mi Band 8 supports up to 600 nits of brightness, while the 7 supports 500 nits. So the Mi Band 8 is a little bit brighter. One good thing about the Mi Band 8 is that it supports auto brightness adjusting, while the 7 does not. Oh, just for the record, the charging cable is not compatible. One good thing about the Mi Band 8 is, fast charging. So it only takes about 1 hour, while the 7 takes about 2 hours. So a huge upgrade. The battery capacity is also different. The Mi Band 8 has a battery capacity of 190 mAh, while the Mi Band 7 has 180 mAh. The Band 8 should have better battery life, right? From my experience, I bought the Mi Band 8 on April 19 and then fully charged it and I wore it every day until now. It has let's see, it still has 52% left. So in 3 days, about half the battery was consumed. So the battery life is about 6 days. Not a huge difference compared to the Mi Band 7. Other differences include that the Mi Band 8 offers 150 sports modes compared to 120 on the 7, and as I mentioned earlier, the Mi Band 8 has that pebble mode and somatosensory interactive boxing, while others remain the same. So the question is, should you upgrade to the Mi Band 8 if you already own the 7? No, I don't think you need to. There are significant differences between the two, and while the pebble mode and somatosensory interactive boxing might seem interesting at first, you may not use them too often, and you likely barely use it to exercise, considering that you're all busy, successful business people. Just kidding, but you get my point. But if you don't have the Xiaomi Band or any other similar device, go ahead and get it. It's so beautiful and fun. You are going to love it. So speaking of questions, let me answer a few. So auto brightness, yes. Battery life, so around a week. I wear it every moment these days, kind of in heavy use mode. Mechanical frame, no, it's made of polycarbonate but feels like metal. Pomodoro timer, yes, it has one. It's in the Focus app. Sleep algorithm, I think it's fine. You see what this is, you can see my sleep here. So it has this kind of cool analysis, like sleep distribution, like deep sleep or light sleep, also the average heart rate. So it gives explanation for every term. So I don't know what do you mean the algorithm, but I think it's fine. It's fine. Tennis sport mode, yes. Vibration, it's hard to explain, but you can set different vibrations. Zepp Life app, no, current only supports Mi Fitness app. And the last question, where is the Mi Band 8 Pro? Well, I actually asked the official Xiaomi staff about it, and they said they don't know anything about it yet. It will probably be available 2 months later when they launch other products. But don't worry about it. If it comes out, I will be the first one to review it and compare it to the Mi Band 7 Pro. Yes, I have many smart band devices, and also you see, this is the Huawei Band 7. Okay, yeah, I'm professional at reviewing these smart bands. Anyway, so stay tuned, alright? So alright, that's the video. So what do you think about the Mi Band 8? Is there anything else you want to know about it? Please comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. This video took me so much time to finish, and your subscription would be a great motivation for me to keep reviewing new products. And thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.